Here is how to download Google Drive in PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download Google Drive in PC. So let's start. First of all, go to any browser of your choice. Then after, click on the search bar and go to the official website of Google Drive, that is drive.google.com. As you search for the website, it will ask you to log into your account if you are not logged in. Then after, it will take you to the home page like this. Now in order to download Google Drive for PC, go to the settings option that you can see on the top right. Click on it and then you'll get the Get Drive for Desktop option. Select the option. Then after, a new page like this will load where you can download Drive for Desktop. Click on Download Drive for Desktop. After that, the download will start. It might take some time to complete the download depending upon your internet speed. After the download is finished, you will have to simply install the file and you will get Google Drive in your PC. So in this way, you can easily download Google Drive in your computer. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.